Hello guys, so today we're playing Roblox Build a Boat for Treasure with Deabyss, right?
Hi guys, so today we are going to play Build a Boat for Treasure. In
I think we can start off with
so
this.
in this game, what you need to do is you need to build a good boat and then make it to the end, and you will get a reward of a lot of gold.
Yeah,
So we're gonna start by just building a boat with all of our wood.
yeah, I'm pretty sure this is like Minecraft or something like that.
Okay, now I need you to start using your wood also.
Okay,
You have a limited amount. Oh yeah, birthday cake. Bro, put one over here. Right, so we're gonna put this in the front
yeah,
for extra defense.
yeah, the boat. These give
We can put
7.
this all around.
This gives 7. Can I? Okay, Darren, sit down.
It has 7 strength, so it's actually pretty strong.
Okay, guys,
Alright, and we're done.
I think we're ready to
Okay,
launch.
we're
Sit
about
down, sit
to
down, sit
start.
down, sit down.
But before we do that, cake, cake, cake. Let's utilize all of our blocks.
I already did.
Okay, that's all my blocks done.
Sit down.
And now I'm gonna put a chair on this cake. Rashida, you can remove your chair. Okay, now let's launch. After
Yeah.
this, I want to drive. Oh yeah, just in case you're wondering, Cookie's mic is lagging, so he won't be talking. So I'm gonna host this video. He'll be talking in the chat, which you can see from his POV. Alright, now first we need to dodge all of these rocks. So each of our cakes do have 7 durability, so it doesn't really matter if we get hit, but it'll matter in the long run. Cookie is actually the best driver. Oh, we got hit. Our cake took damage. All of our cake is taking damage, but how is the cake alive? Cake is OP. Cake is very OP. Oh, okay. Dodge the rocks. Dodge. These rocks are way stronger. I think they do like 4 durability. So that means if we get hit by if one piece of cake gets hit by 2 of these rocks, that piece of cake is gone forever. Which then we can rebuild it, but bro, what is happening to our boat? We're flying. Oh, wait, we need to go back on the water.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right, let's go. We're in the third part of this. There's, there's popcorn everywhere. They're shooting cannonballs at us, which are made of gum. Wait, don't hit them. They're actually destroying us.